The BMW X5 E70 was a premium German luxury vehicle. But this $10,000 crossover is actually a dangerous financial trap because its twin-turbo V8 engine develops bad heat leaks that melt parts under the hood. At the same time, the rear air suspension suffers a sudden total crash. Fixing these problems requires taking out the entire bottom frame, matching supercar repair costs. This vehicle proves that cheap German luxury is never a smart deal. Our very last car on this list will absolutely shock you with a worse engineering scam. So stay tuned until the end. The Mercedes S-Class W220 was once the favorite ride of rich CEOs and VIPs. But this cheap luxury car is now a total nightmare because its advanced hydraulic suspension drops to the ground without any warning. On top of that, the early rust problems destroy the body of the car, making it look completely broken. Fixing these electronic and metal problems costs more than the actual price of the vehicle today. This sedan proves that old luxury can quickly become a useless piece of metal. The BMW 7 Series E65 surprised everyone when it first came out with its futuristic design. But this cheap car is now a financial disaster because its computer system fails completely and locks you out of the controls. To make matters worse, the engine develops oil and coolant leaks that cost thousands of dollars to repair. Fixing these crazy electrical and motor issues is impossible for a regular mechanic. This vehicle proves that too much old technology will only destroy your wallet. The Maserati Quattroporte was built to bring real Italian supercar style to a four-door family vehicle. But buying this beautiful car used today is a terrible mistake because its complicated clutch system burns out every few thousand miles. As if that is not enough, the sports gearbox fails completely, forcing you to pay massive bills that only rich people can afford. Fixing these fragile parts will cost you more than the car itself. This Italian model proves that beautiful styling cannot hide terrible reliability. The Range Rover Sport became famous worldwide as the ultimate symbol of wealth and power. But owning this heavy SUV today is a complete financial trap because its complex air suspension breaks down and leaves the car stuck on the ground. What's even worse is that the supercharged engine develops bad fluid leaks and costly computer faults that are impossible to clear. Fixing these heavy truck parts requires massive labor bills at specialized workshops. This SUV proves that a high driving position cannot protect you from low reliability. The Porsche Cayenne changed the market by mixing sports car speed with a large family interior. But buying a cheap early model today is a dangerous gamble because the plastic coolant lines under the engine crack open without warning and destroy the motor. Along with that, the cylinder walls inside the engine get badly scratched, causing total power failure. Fixing these deep mechanical issues requires a complete engine rebuild that costs a fortune. This powerful SUV proves that a famous racing badge cannot save you from huge repair bills. The Jaguar XJ was designed to offer royal British comfort and classic style to luxury buyers. But this final car on our list is a shocking engineering scam because its hidden metal body parts secretly rust from the inside out where you can never see it. Adding to the trouble, the terrible wiring system creates sudden fires under the dashboard that instantly destroy the whole vehicle. Fixing these dangerous luxury faults costs 3 times more than what the car is actually worth today. This final disaster proves that a royal look can sometimes hide a complete death trap. Buying a cheap used luxury car might look like a great deal, but it usually ends in financial ruin. If you want to save your hard-earned money, stay far away from these 7 models. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more shocking automotive updates. See you in the next one. Goodbye.